Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by claiming small wins, posture, breathing, and a steady gaze. Start with a 10-minute power routine to anchor your body and voice. It sets a baseline. Once done, pick one micro goal per interaction, smile, ask one open question, or offer a light compliment. Keep it measurable. Score each attempt 0-5 so you can repeat what works. This immediate practice replaces endless theory. You get feedback fast and build momentum for every next conversation. You now sharpen specific skills with deliberate practice. Twice weekly roleplay helps you test phrasing and timing without risk, so make it realistic and varied. Learn 5 versatile openers and 3 short stories you can adapt. This prevents freezing under pressure. Focus on conversational balance. Aim to listen about half the time and share the rest, which builds rapport. Once practiced, transfer these elements into low-stakes settings until they feel natural. That bridge is where competence turns into charisma. You finish by applying and refining. Commit to 3 real interactions each week, then review what landed and what didn't. When something fails, adjust only one variable, tone, timing, or topic, so you can isolate cause and effect. Make sure to keep successes and repeat them deliberately. Consistency compounds. If you get stuck, use a breathing reset, drop goals back to one clear action, and try again. That troubleshooting step prevents paralysis and keeps progress moving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.